Loosen the Allen bolt on the brake line. While pulling the brake cable, tighten the Allen bolt back, but don't over tighten, just snug it up. Next, loosen the bolts on the brake caliper so that you can wiggle it side to side. Squeeze the handbrake so it engages the caliper and pulls the brake tight. Tighten down the top and bottom caliper bolts while the brake is engaged. Now give the tire a spin to see if there is any resistance from the brake pads. To adjust the pad on the back of the caliper, turn the set screw. Turn to the left to loosen it, turn to the right to tighten it down. Make minor adjustments and keep checking the wheel to listen for rubbing on the brake pad. Once adjustments have been made, go over all of the bolts again to make sure everything is in place and is tightened correctly. Do one last spin test to check the brakes, and then you're ready to go.